This is how to create your Google Ads conversion tracker for e-commerce websites. If you are selling products, physical products like shoes, handbags, and other stuffs. So head over to your website, then click on new conversion action. You know that the purpose of creating this conversion tracking code is to enable Google to optimize your ads, because if you have this tracking code, it will be sending information to Google through your Google Ads account by monitoring your customers, knowing who is relevant to your business. So this tracking code enables Google to know who is more relevant to your business, thereby making them to optimize your ads better, to bring in more relevant people and filter out people that are less likely to purchase. So this thing is very, very important. Try to set it up correctly, because it determines your progress. Because if you set it up correctly and it's tracking, your ads will be optimizing, and with time you start spending less and gaining more. So to have enough data that will make it to be bringing in good customers that will make your business to be more successful. So to get started, click on this website, input your domain, click on scan, then if there is an automatic action, forget about that one. We are going to go with the manual action. So add a conversion action manually. Here, once you are here, go to goal and action optimization. Click this. We are going to choose purchase, because that's what we want to measure, people that purchase our product. So choose purchase, then conversion action optimization options, leave it at primary, because we want it to be the primary thing our account is focusing on. Then enter a conversion name it purchase, then use the same value for each conversion. There is a way to use different value for each conversion so that to measure the accurate value, but that's a pro option. I'll do that in a later video, but for now, go with this. It's okay. It will almost deliver the same result. So here, click on yes, then scroll down, leave it at count every, because each purchase made is important and relevant to our site. So let's continue. Leave everything here as it is and click on done. Once you have clicked on done, click on save and continue. So here there's different ways to set it up. So you can either set it up using Google tag, or you email instructions to your webmaster, that's whoever helped you to create your website, who is good with using the code, which I don't recommend that. So go with use Google Tag Manager. So this is our conversion ID and this is our purchase conversion label. So leave it at this page and head over to your Google Tag Manager real quick. So once you are there, click on triggers. Here we're going to create a trigger action. So come to new, click on new, click here, then we are going to click page view. Not all pages, we want for some pages. So click URL, we change it to, we're going to go with the page URL, that is this page URL. I showed you guys how to add variables. In case you didn't find this, go and add it there. So let's come to this variable section here and add it. So page URL contains, here we're going to add the text that it contains. So I made a small test purchase to verify it, and this is what the page URL contains. So this is the page, this is the thank you page URL. That's after the customer might have placed their order, as you can see. So we are going to be using this text, this order received. So that's what we want, order received. So quickly copy it out or just write it down to take note of it. In order to test yours, just quickly change a product price to 0.00 naira. Make a test purchase to see how it is. Make sure that you have your payment option in place, and which is what I did. So quickly go back and add it here. Make sure it's in small letter. Order received. Order received. This is what it should look like. So yours won't be different. This is how all of them looks like. So even if you do a test order and check it, yours must contain this order received. So after you have added this, click on save. So the trigger name, we name it purchase trigger. Click on save. That is it for the trigger. Now go to the tags section. We are gonna create new tag. So click on new. Then click on tag configuration. Here we are to select the tag we are tracking, which is our Google Ads conversion tracking, which is this third option offered by Google Ads. So click it. Once you have clicked on it, it will launch this site. As you can see, it's warning us that our conversion link tag is missing in the container. So quickly click on create to create one. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Click save. Leave it at conversion linker as the name. Click save. Boom. It has created. So now we have to input our conversion ID and our conversion label. So drift back to your Google Ads, copy your conversion ID here. Copy, come back, tap and hold, paste. Go back again. This is our conversion label. So copy it, go back, conversion label, paste it here. So leave everything as it is. Then come down to triggering section. Click anywhere in the section. Then we have to choose this one that we created, purchase trigger. Purchase trigger, that's the last option there. That is the trigger we just created. So click it. As you can see, it has selected the trigger. Then click on save. Leave it as Google Ads conversion tracking. You might add for purchase. Yes, click save. Then we have to publish this. To publish it, quickly click on submit. Then add the version name. So this is the version name I came up with, purchase version 1, version description for purchase version 1. Then I added today's date, so to make it easier to remember. Then click on publish. Sing like no one is listening. Then it has been published. Our version has been published. You can just click on this site to navigate away from this place. Just boom. Version 3 is live. This is the third thing I'm creating because I created something before, which is for affiliate marketers. So that's why it's trying to send me version 3. So I did the first one to test everything out. It worked out well. I did the second one, which is for the affiliate marketers, and this is the third one I'm doing. So yours will probably show you version 1 because it is your first creation. So that is it for this video. You have created this. Go back again to your Google Ads. Then click on done. Then that is it. We have successfully created it. So this is it. This is the link. This is the tag we just created. This first one, purchase. As you can see, it is inactive because we have not received any data yet. So once you start running your ads and customers start making purchase, it will start reflecting here. And as you can see, it is set in primary. Yes, we want it to be in primary. Other ones, click it, multiple highlights and remove them. If it's unable to remove, then know that it is because it was created by Google Ads and you can't delete it. You can't delete it. But don't worry, it won't affect your purchase tracking because those ones are for some specific type of ads. So Google will focus on optimizing your ads with this purchase. If there's anyone that you want to change it from being primary to secondary, remember you need only one primary, because if there's many primary, Google will get confused and focus on the easiest one. So just quickly click on it. Then once you are there, click on edit settings. Then click on this goal and action optimization, which is the second option. Then change it to secondary if that's not what you're optimizing for, in case if you have more than one tracking code that you created yourself. So I'll not be saving this, I'll be canceling. So that is it for this video. This is how to effectively create your conversion tracker that will help track all the action that is going on your website, especially purchase, in which Google will use to optimize your ads and know that yes, you are tracking for purchase. That means you want people that are purchasing your products, and Google will do its best to find people that will actually purchase your products. Thank you very much and peace out.